What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, if you know somebody who tells you they have a good lemon pepper wing recipe, what I want you to do is just ask them to let you see it. And once you have it in your hands, burn it, because it ain't no good. Click that link above me. I'm gonna show you how to make the best lemon pepper wing recipe on the planet. Now, we're back in our series of Cinco de Mayo. So I have another delicious, easy appetizer recipe for you. I'm gonna show you today how to make Mexican street corn on the cob. Now, if you've never had this, you're missing out. I'm telling you, it is delicious. So what I need for you to do, I need you to get in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Right here I have our corn here. Now, you can buy the corn that's already in the husk if you want to, and you can make it that way, but I don't feel like doing all that cleaning, and it makes a big mess when I start cleaning corn, so I'd rather get mine already peeled. So we're gonna use corn. We got some queso cojito, which is this is a cojito cheese. If you don't have this, you can use grated Parmesan, but this is the best cheese to use for this when you're making Mexican street corn. So some mayo, sour cream, some minced garlic, some garlic salt, chipotle pepper, ground chipotle pepper, paprika, and chili powder. Now, you don't have to use ground chipotle pepper. You can leave that out if you don't want any heat to it, but I'm not going to use much of it. I'm going to combine it with the paprika and the chili powder, which it gives it a little heat, but not much. You always know I recommend a little heat, so you can omit that if you want to. We're going to use a lime, and we're going to use some fresh cilantro. So these are the ingredients we're going to use, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we have here, I've got my corn right here. I have a half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of cojito cheese, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo. I have the zest of 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime. I have a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chipotle pepper. Remember, you can omit that. 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. So this is what we're going to use to make this Mexican street corn. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and make our dry rub. So this is easy. We're just going to add our chili powder to our paprika, then our chipotle pepper powder. Like I say, you can omit this part if you want to. You can. Now, because all you're going to do is with this is you're just going to add this as a topping at the end of the recipe. So you can kind of control it, or well, not kind of, you can control how much you put on it, so that can determine how much heat you get. So I do recommend this, so go ahead, make that. You can omit the chili powder, the chipotle powder, but make sure you get that smoked paprika and that chili powder. I'm telling you, you want that. All right, let's move on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our mayo and sour cream mixture. So what you want to do is add your mayo to an empty dish. Next, add your lime zest, your sour cream, your cilantro, your garlic salt, your minced garlic, your lime juice, and we're going to add a half a teaspoon of our dry seasoned mixture. Also, guys, I think that I'm going to add some of this cotija cheese. I'm just going to add like let's add like a teaspoon of that. Maybe let's add about 2 teaspoons just to have that cheese into that mixture. What we're going to do is we're going to give it a good mix like this. Oh man, this looks, oh man, it smells good. Smells delicious. Man, I think we did the right thing by adding that cheese into that mixture. We're gonna also use some of that cheese for garnishment too, or as a topping, shall I say. But we want to put some of it in that spread too. So let's take a look at it like that. That's what you want it to look like. All right, so let's move on. All right, so we have our corn here. Now you can do this one or two ways. You can do it in the oven or you can do it on a grill. So what I did is I've already preheated my electric grill outside for about 350 to 400 degrees. And I'm going to grill them on my electric grill, or you can do the same thing in your oven, 350 to 400 degrees. But in preparation of getting for the corn, I'm just going to add some melted butter. Just add some melted butter over your pieces of corn. I mean, this is just additional flavor to me, guys. You don't have to do it, but now we're going to go out here and go ahead and place these bad babies on the grill. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to let them cook for about about 10 minutes. So we're going to do it about 5 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side. But you also, depending on how hot your grill is and how hot your oven is, you want to take a look at it. If you're on the grill, as you see the kernel start to brown on one side, you want to turn it over and do the other side. You don't want it to, cook. You don't want it too dark. So keep an eye on it. Like I say, 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side, or if it's 5 minutes, it could be 250 on one side, 250 on the other side, but keep rotating them. You don't want to keep them on one side for 5 minutes. You want to keep rotating them, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so look what we have here. Take a look at that. Nicely grilled corn. So let's go ahead and go to the next step and apply our sour cream and mayonnaise mixture. This is what makes Mexican street corn. Just the spread and the taste and the flavors. Oh man, this is delicious. Let's go. All right, so let me show you what we're gonna do next. We're gonna take our corn and we're just gonna take our, still hot too, it's coming through the glove. We want to take our, remember we have our mayonnaise mixture, and what we're going to do is we're just going to brush it just like that. And you want to make sure you put that all over. You want all that goodness just like that. Let's do another one. Like this. Can get a little messy, but who cares? We gonna get messy as soon as we start eating them. All right, let's do this one. All right, so I've already spread my mayo and sour cream mixture on this. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're just going to get them plated up. But before we do that, we're just gonna add some of this cheese to it, like that. Just add a little bit of that cheese to it. And I don't wanna add it just, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add some of this, some of that mixture on it. But let me go ahead and get these plated up and then we'll move on. And there you have it, guys. Mexican street corn. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Well, it may not be Cinco de Mayo when I release this video, but trust me, it's gonna be close. So you wanna go ahead and make these, or get them ready for Cinco de Mayo. I know you can enjoy these with you and your family, or even just by yourself. Guys, this is a very simple and easy recipe. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and you can get it done pretty quickly. Also, you don't have to put it in the oven. You don't have to grill it if you want to. You can also put it in the oven. Also, the measurements and the ingredients are in the video description below. So if you need to know those, go check out that video description below. Also, if you need any of these items, the links are also in the video description below where you can go and purchase them from Amazon. Also, go ahead, pick up your All Wings Everything merch. I'm going to leave the link to my All Wings Everything store so you can go and get your t-shirt. That way you can definitely be official when you're making these delicious appetizers and wings. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.